Hi guys, this is review of yesterday's stocks that were picked for trading during this week. So, as 5 stocks were picked yesterday for trading during this week. So these 5 stocks, how they did today, we will have a quick review and see what happened. So the first stock was Apollo Tires. So when I look at Apollo Tires, it opened today around with around the support area here. In the support area it moved up to 93 and then it came down into the buying zone. So if you see yesterday's video, this buying zone was already there. It came into buying zone. It didn't break the stop loss. And the target is on for this. So Apollo Tires didn't break the stop loss. Whoever bought today around this price, around 90, they would have already made some money in day trading also. But anyway, the target is for not just week, the target is this. It's not really a weekly target. We were thinking it will reach 100 in some time. Okay, next stock is Canara Bank. In case of Canara Bank, the original price was here and this was a small support here, and major support zone is this 62%, but it did fall along with the bank nifty. It fell, and this is a beautiful opportunity to buy because now the stop loss is really less. So it didn't break the stop loss, and if you buy here around 77, there is a very less stop loss that we have to deal with. So it's a beautiful opportunity that came today. When it came to ICICI Bank, however, it did break the stop loss. It went below up to 296. In this, we would have taken loss. We would have booked our loss because we have to follow strict stop loss. So the stop loss is taken. We will see when the opportunity comes in it, we will enter it into it again. As of now, because it broke this, the expectation of up move is no more there in ICICI Bank as of today. The expectation will come again once it crosses 325. Till it crosses 325, there is no expectation that it will move up. When it comes to Reliance, we gave a short call on this. So morning it went into the selling zone, it fell, it came to this buying zone, again it went up, and it is on. It's the trade is still on for a target of 1375. So whoever shorted today, they have the opportunity to make this much money unless its stop loss is met. The stop loss for Reliance is 1532. And coming back to YESBANK, again this also gave a beautiful buying opportunity. So it held the low here, and this also it held. Buying came in this region, and it looks fine. So position could have been taken in this stock. Coming back to Bank Nifty, which gave most pain today. So I will go to the higher time frame so that you can see what is going on with it. It looks interesting to me, mainly because this is the low made by Bank Nifty. This one. Then it went up, came down, and this is the point. This is the point where the expectation of fall is gone. So it came here, then did this, then came down, then crossed this. So the expectation of negative trend is changed. Expectation failed here in this point, It came down, corrected about 80%, then it again went up. Now it came down, and it came to this very close to this low. That's what it did today. So you can see that it came very close. And now the interesting, now anybody who buys Bank Nifty today, they are at a good risk reward ratio. The reason is stop loss now is 17,000, and target is now equal to this. So the target now as per this is this. So today's, if I take today's low as the basis, so this is today's low, to satisfy ABCD pattern, the target comes to 22,400. It may be next month, it may happen, but now the possibility, unless it breaks this, there is a possibility for it to go up to 22,400. So this is the review of the stocks I suggested yesterday. Thank you.